Stacking is one of the biggest levers for patient safety, cost control, and staff well being. Yet, schedules are built through manual work, best guesses, and last minute firefighting. This system changes that. It brings together what you already have: staffing records, real time patient flow, and unit workload indicators. It learns patterns like admission surges, rising acuity, and where teams are trending towards overload. Then it produces a recommended schedule that ensures the right skills are on the floor, protects rest times, and distributes workload more fairly. If conditions shift, for example, a sudden spike in arrivals, it alerts leaders early and suggests adjustments before unit feels the impact. It doesn't replace nurse managers or clinical judgment. It decisions support, giving a safer starting plan, faster, with clear visibility into risk and staffing gaps. The result: stronger coverage, fewer surprises, less burnout, and schedule units built in minutes instead of hours. Thank you.